Think you know cars? Think again. These are some car myths that people still believe. Even experienced drivers. Some will save you money, others could save your life. Myth 1. Premium fuel is always better. Many drivers believe premium fuel makes your car faster, cleaner, or more powerful. But here's the truth. If your car doesn't require premium, you're just wasting money. Premium fuel has higher octane, which prevents knocking in high-performance engines. But it won't boost performance in regular cars. In fact, most vehicles run perfectly fine, even better, on regular unleaded. Check your owner's manual, not the fuel ad. Myth 2. Red cars get pulled over more. You've heard it. Red cars get more speeding tickets. Oh, see, a red car. But studies show color has no direct impact on traffic stops. It's not the color. It's the driver's behavior, the car type, and how fast they're going. In fact, gray and silver cars are more commonly pulled over than red ones. So go ahead. Myth 3. You should warm up your car before driving. Back in the day, warming your car before driving made sense. Old engines needed time to circulate oil and warm up carburetors. But today's engines use fuel injection and heat up faster when driving. Warm up wastes fuel and creates more emissions. Instead, start the engine, wait 20 to 30 seconds, and then drive gently for the first few minutes. Myth 4. Oil needs changing every 3,000 miles. 3,000 miles used to be the rule, but not anymore. Thanks to synthetic oils and better engines, many cars can go 7,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Modern cars even tell you exactly when to change your oil, based on your actual driving. So stop wasting money and check your vehicle's oil interval in the manual or dashboard display. Myth 5. Bigger cars are safer. Bigger doesn't always mean safer. It's not just size, it's the safety features that matter. Some small cars actually perform better in crash tests than larger vehicles. Always check the safety rating, not just the size. Turning off the AC saves fuel. Yes, air conditioning uses fuel, but not much. Driving with the windows down at high speeds creates drag, which can actually reduce your fuel efficiency even more. At low speeds, windows down is fine. At highway speeds, AC is better. More cylinders means more power. V8, V12, not so fast. A modern turbocharged 4-cylinder engine can easily outpace older V8s. It's all about efficiency, boost pressure, and power-to-weight ratio. Technology has changed the game. More cylinders doesn't always mean more performance. So, how many of these car myths did you believe? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and drive smart.